Add the milk in the saucepan and the bread flour. Cook them over medium-low heat until thickened into a paste. This step helps lock in moisture for softer, longer-lasting bread. Once thickened, remove from heat and transfer to a bowl. Let it cool until ready to use. Bloom the yeast by adding a tablespoon of sugar and the yeast into the warm milk. Stir until the yeast dissolves. Cover and let it sit until a layer of foam forms. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Add bread flour, remaining sugar, and salt to the stand mixer bowl. Give it a quick mix, then create a well in the center. Then add the egg, bloom yeast mixture, and the cool tangzhong. Start kneading with a dough hook attachment until the dough comes together. Now gradually add the butter. Keep kneading until it's fully incorporated and passes the windowpane test. This takes about 10 minutes at medium speed. The windowpane test means stretching the dough until it's thin enough for light to pass through. This shows the gluten is well developed and ready for the first proof. Since we are making 2 flavors, I'm going to divide the dough evenly using the scale. Then pop 1/2 back to the mixing bowl and add the black sesame tahini. Continue to knead it until it is fully combined. Then place both dough in a separate oil bowl and cover it with cling film. Place them in the warm spot in your kitchen. My kitchen is quite cold, so I place a glass of hot water in the oven and place them in to create a cozy environment for them to rise nicely. After 2 hours, both doughs have puffed up beautifully. Sprinkle some flour on top and gently release the air. Then transfer the dough upside down onto the floured surface. Pull the edges towards the center and roll it over to form a ball. Cover with a tea towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. Then move on to the black sesame dough. After 15 minutes, the dough has relaxed, making it easier to roll out. Lightly sprinkle flour on top to prevent sticking, then flip the dough over. Gently press it down with your fingertips to release the air while slightly stretching it. Flip it back again, then roll it out to about 21 by 34 centimeters to fit the pan. Once done, cover with the tea towel and move on to the black sesame dough. After rolling the dough to the right size, it's time to layer them. Gently place the milk bread dough over the black sesame dough, making sure to align them as neatly as possible without stretching or tearing. Next, fold the black sesame dough over the milk bread dough, then fold the milk bread dough over the black sesame dough. As I mentioned, try your best to line up the 2 doughs as neatly as you can so you will get that stunning interior swirl look once it's baked. Now it looks much better. Next, rotate the dough 90 degrees and gently roll it out to approximately 21 by 24 centimeters. Be careful at this stage, we want even layers only, so don't go crazy with the rolling. Once you are happy with it, start rolling the dough into a log. Now we are ready to score the dough to create that signature accordion pattern. Now let's bake. Brush on a thin layer of egg wash for that gorgeous golden brown finish. Bake in a preheated oven for about 30 minutes. Covering the top with foil around the 20 minutes mark to prevent it from browning too much. Once it's done, take it out of the oven and transfer it to a wire rack to cool for about 30 to 60 minutes. Then slice and enjoy. The swirl is absolutely mesmerizing. It's both fun and beautiful at the same time. I hope this video inspires you to give this recipe a try. You can find the full recipe on my blog, just click on the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share so more people can discover it too. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel so we never miss a chance to bake together. Thanks so much for watching, it really means a lot. If you love baking bread, I've got another delicious recipe for you. Click on the screen to watch it. See you there. Bye for now.